Subhanallah wa bihamdihi Subhanallahil Azim.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, this is the month of Ramadan. You know one thing? I'm telling you now, for you, no need to fast during month of Ramadan. You know why? If you are fasting, and if you are lying, and if you are talking lies, no use. Why? The Prophet ﷺ said, Allah does not need your thirst and hunger while you are fasting and lies and working on the lies. So, you want to fast? Stop lying and stop working on the lies. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi